Hey everyone, the question I get often, are cats afraid of robot vacuums? And we have got Portia, and we've got John. John, can you say hi? Yeah, so the question I get is, are they afraid of robot vacuums? And we are going to run this one. We gave them some catnip, so you guys know how cats are. You guys enjoying? Yeah, so as you guys can see, the cats just continue on and do what they're going to do. We're gonna see if this gets closer over and see how they act. John, are you gonna eat? What are you doing? John is normally eating, do I have to show you? Yeah, see, I walk in and the cat disappears. So we have a very skittish cat, that's my son's, and they've been around these robot vacuums for many years, and I've had many different cats, and I've never had an issue with it. So we even have a neighbor that wanted a robot vacuum so bad, and she never bought one simply because she thought her cats would be afraid of it. So that's kind of why I'm doing the video, but actually why I'm doing the video is to show you guys that it's really not the case. And with these advanced vacuums, like the one with the dock, they are going to be in pet mode. So when they get close to your pet, so if John's just laying on the floor sleeping, the robot will not run it. If it does, it's going to run into him very, very slowly. But with this technology, it's not going to run into John. John might come up and play with the robot, because you guys have seen the robots where the cats ride it. That would be awesome, wouldn't it?
I would love it if our cats would ride it.
Man, if John jumped on this robot right now, why I did this video. I mean, look, the robot is like stuck, and the cats are not. I have Pixar. Pixar's up in his tree stand sleeping. I have no idea why the vacuum's going all the way over there when it's supposed to just clean the carpet. It's being more, it's being, whatever. I thought it's gonna come back, and let's see if it goes around John. If not, we'll end the video. But no, to answer your guys' question, they are really not afraid of robot vacuums. So if this is something that you've been considering buying and you just haven't done it because you're afraid that the cats are gonna be, that's why we did the video. So the answer is no, they're not afraid.
Most are.
Most are not,
cats
yeah.
Are cats, and every cat will be a little bit different. Obviously, yours might be different, but for the most part, the cats that we...
All right, let's see what happens here.
See how close it gets to John? John knows it's not going to hurt him. He's rubbing up against it.
Oh, there you go, guys. That's what I wanted to show you all.
John is our star in most of our videos here. He loves testing out litter boxes, so you will see him a lot.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, just give me a quick thumbs up. It really will help out the channel. And the vacuum just sucked up John's weed. John, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Thanks for watching, you guys.